What's going on, guys? I got the new Vapormaxes today. Check them out. Let's review them. Alright, here we go. These are the Vapormaxes. Here's the box. And here we go. Here's the reveal. Here's the shoes. Man. Definitely going to enjoy these. Check them out. Yeah, they're really light, stretchy material. The tongue is stretching. This part is stretchy as well. You got your waterproof backing here. Let's put them on. They look good. Let me show you how they look at my feet. Here they are on my feet. They look pretty good, I ain't gonna lie. There they are. Check out the bottom right there. Look at that air. It pushes down once I put some force on it. Oh man, these feel really nice on my feet. Doesn't really feel like anything. They're breathable. They feel pretty good. And yeah, check them out. Yeah, I definitely do recommend these. I'm pretty good. Alright guys, if you like that video, like it, subscribe, and yeah, I'll show you some more.